Y'all, I think I'm gonna start rocking human hair wigs. I'm pretty much obsessed. Like, I love this wig. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you ding that bell so that you are turning on your notifications so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. This week's Wig Wednesday is featuring Naked Brazilian Natural 100% Human Hair Premium Wig in the style Dion. Oh, so with this wig, it says you can dye it, bleach it, or perm it. However, I don't know why you would want to dye, perm, or bleach a wig when you can just get any style that you want. So again, I got the style Dion in the color Natural, which is also the same color that the model is wearing on the stock card. On the inside of the stock card, as always, you get the hair care instructions. Again, it says you can dye, bleach, or perm, but again, why would you want to do that? Let's get right into the pros and the cons of this wig. Pros: there are no combs whatsoever on the inside of the wig, which you guys know I absolutely love. It's 100% human hair, so you can do anything to it. Other pros: no tangling and no shedding. Cons: guys, I don't have any cons.
What?
As of now, I don't have any cons. If anything comes up, I will do an update, but for now, this wig is perfect. It's very lightweight. It feels like I just have a sew-in. It's just, I love it. I love it so much. It's so bouncy, so soft, so beautiful. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this wig a 10. It is absolutely perfect. It is a must-have, especially for fall. And if you'd like to see how I styled this wig, keep on watching.
Late at night in the dark, at least when I'm not with you. It's like without you I just fall apart, and I don't know what I'm heading into. Cause all of my emotions flow in a way that I just can't control. Cause I'm new to this, I don't know how to act. I used to be so loved.